Alright. It's an amazing heater. I bought it because my last one melted itself. But that was a different brand and a whole different story. So, 10 out of 10. Would recommend. It is worth the money. Little pamphlet. The instruction manual. I will review that with you in a second because I know some people, like me, like actually being able to see that to make sure it's worth it. So, default. Eco. And fan. It doesn't heat up. It's just a fan. That's the highest setting. So that's the lowest setting on default, and it'll automatically go back down if you do that. Oscillation. The swivel. It's like 180, which is really nice. Ignore all the dust and all that. I have cats. Timer. Just keep pressing it until you get to your desired time. It goes all the way up to 12. Power. It has a countdown, which is actually really, really nice if you know anything about this subject, this whole entire area. You know that it actually prolongs its life because it gives it time to cool down. I know some don't do that, which in all honesty is very damaging and shortens its life. We have a remote, right? I need to put batteries in there. 2 AAA batteries. Now, the manual. Alright, so it'll tell you all of that. It'll tell you all of that too. But yeah, I will flip through it really quickly. Slowly but quickly. In case you are one of the few, like me, I'm stubborn, who like to be able to see this stuff. Alright, so we obviously know they have to include the safety. They have the labels, if it'll focus. Anyways, control panel, LED display, remote receiver, and air outlet. Then there's the handle, the air inlet, and then the power and plug. Obviously the remote, which this is the user manual, and then that's that information. Like I said, power on and off. There's the power heat, which in all honesty is the default. Then there's the eco, and then as I said, it's fan only. So yeah. Then there's the auto off timer, heat level, temperature, and it explains more in there. So it's definitely something you would want to read. LED display. It gives you a rundown of that. Gives you some information about the remote. And after that, it's basically like maintenance, all this other stuff. Basically, keep it clean so it doesn't start a fire, you know, and all of that. So, 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's definitely worth the money, and it is an amazing purchase.